everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your controller stick drift with the Xbox One settings. So just on the home screen here, let's go to settings. Scroll on down to devices and connections. And then go to where it says controllers and headset. And then let's go down to here, the three little dots, and go to recalibration options. Then go to the right stick. This is usually where you get stick drift, or it could be the left one, but let's go to the right stick. And you can move this around. You can see if you got any stick drift. There's a little bit. We can go to recalibrate right now and begin the test. So you just have to match up your controller with this little circle, and you can see I can keep up with it. It moves a little bit actually. Look how jumpy that is. So you just have to do this 6 times in a circle, and just make sure it's kind of like a line. And then it should be recentered once we do it the opposite way now too. So just look at this option. If you are getting a bunch of stick drift, just recalibrate this, and it could possibly fix your issue without having to take it apart or buy a new controller. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.